Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to log out of WhatsApp account 2024. First thing that you should do is you have to open your WhatsApp application. And once you're here, you just have to click on these three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen and you'd be able to see these options. Now you just have to click on the account option. And then right here, as you can see, you cannot find the option where you can log out of WhatsApp. So what you can do is you have to close the WhatsApp application on your device, and then you have to go to your WhatsApp app information. So just have to press and hold your WhatsApp, and then just click on the app info, and then you'd be redirected to this page. So what you're going to do here is you just have to select the permissions and then just scroll down and then make sure to switch this off. Okay, and then once you're done with it, just have to go back right here and then just click on the option where it says storage usage and then make sure to clear the data of the WhatsApp. Just click on clear data and then just have to click on OK. So these apps will permanently deleted. So after that is just have to close this settings and then open your WhatsApp once again. And then from there, as you can see, you can now log in with your another WhatsApp account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.